How do you breathe underwater?
Don't. That's called drowning.
What's your favorite human food of all time?
Fish.
Fish. Fish are friends, not fish.
How many turtles are there still
Whoa.
left?
Gee, you sound like royalty.
Your favorite color?
Well, I'm a green sea turtle, and I eat green seagrass and green sea kelp. What do you think my favorite color is?
Green.
Nah, it's purple.
Like, what do you like to eat?
I like a good turtle soup.
Okay, hey, Gerard, if you promise not to eat turtle soup, I totally will come back out, dude.
I promise I won't eat you.
Okay, that's not what I said, dude.